because I kind of rushed all this together just so we can have a look at it. And quite honestly, just to be very honest with you, I basically just procrastinating. Welcome back to the workbench, where we try to make things. We're continuing to try to make today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, their Foose design kit they put out a while back that we're doing quite a bit different. And if you'd like to get caught up on those differences, check the description down below. There's a link there for you to a playlist. You can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now is not a huge update. It's not a huge update. What I really need is your help. And what I need help with is colors. I'm trying to figure out the colors or the color combinations to do back here in the bed, which would also include the interior in the cab. Speaking of colors, today is St. Patrick's Day, so I am wearing green. I went and ate lunch with my daughter, with the girl at school, so I wore green, which is right now playing havoc probably with the green screen behind me, so I could be just a floating head. Ignore that if that's what's happening. But the colors in the back of the bed here, I wanted to take a closer look at. So I've printed, by the way, all this basically is kind of temporary stuff. I reprinted the kind of beauty ring here, and I gave it a detail. Hopefully you guys can see it. Now I also accidentally cracked it, pulling it off of the printer bed. So I'll be printing it again, but that's okay, because this again is just temporary stuff. I'm just trying to work out colors. Let me know, do you like the detail added? Do I have the original one? I'm not sure what I did with the original. The other option was just to leave it flat, but I think I like the detail, this little detail ridge that runs all the way around it. Hopefully you guys can even see that. The other thing is, so I don't know how much I really like this color I'm using for the leather. It's a little yellow. I'd rather, I think I'm gonna have to try to find, and I don't think I really have anything on hand. I'm probably gonna have to go get a color that I like a little better. I'd like it to be a little more brown. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But I did go ahead, if I show you, I went ahead and painted up, well, I painted up the beauty panel. Can you guys see it? Painted up the beauty panel for the speaker box, the same leather. And again, I think it's a little too yellow. But I also painted the box itself body color. So now you can kind of see what that looks like. In fact, let's put this back in place here, so you can kind of see the idea that I'm going for, at least. And I actually, you know what? I still don't think I quite got these little tabs here are supposed to cover these. Still not quite right. Yeah, they're not extending far enough back. I need to pull them down. Well, that's gonna be fun to make the correction on, but that's something we'll have to do. So anyways, you can kind of see the idea of the colors. And I'm wondering, when I look at this, I'm wondering, is this just too much leather? I don't know if I like this top beauty, because you got to remember also all of this panel, all the panel here, let me move this so I can show you a little better. All this panel here, back here, you can see it wasn't quite dry when I put it on here. All of this is also going to be leather. And then you put this on top, and I think maybe it gets to be too much. I'm wondering if that, but the problem is I don't know, would we want that to be body color and just cap it off with body color and then just have a kind of a ring of leather around the inside here? Because I'm thinking the floor is going to be black. You know, it's going to be, I think black carpet. I don't know. Again, I want to get your guys' input. What do you think? I'm thinking black carpet on the floor. By the way, this is all also going to directly translate to the interior of the cab too. We'll do it the same. So maybe we could consider like this top piece here, like the roof, which is obviously body color. Yeah, because this is all going to be in the cab. Up from here up is all body color. Of course, I'm going to do a headliner in it, but there'll be a ring of body color and then a ring of leather. So maybe that makes sense to try. In fact, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll print another one. In fact, I'll probably print a few of them. I'm just gonna, well, I don't know why I print one at a time. I'll probably print like 8 of them, and then we'll try all different colors. But yeah, and I might do it body color, and we'll see maybe if I like that a little better. I do need to find a better leather. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you like this color for the leather? I think it's a little too, like I said, a little too yellow. I'm not crazy about that. Also, I wanted to point out that I did model. Let me see if you can even see them. I took the time to model some battery cable ends, but kind of like your stereo style battery cable ends. In fact, let me see if I can get this stuff out of here. Oh, it's probably stuck. Let's see. I pretty much put all this in here with wet paint still, because I'm running out of time. I need to get filming today. Yeah, see, so it's sticking. That's not glue. That's just the paint. Let me get this out, and we can take a closer look. In fact, if I just pull this off. So yeah, I painted the tops of them like an Optima battery, like a yellow top. But then I did these little battery cable ends, and my thought was because I'd want multiple power, multiple ground wires coming out of them. But of course, once you put them in here, and then put this piece on top, you can't even see where the wires are going to be. But I still want to have have these battery cable ends, and I think they came out pretty good. Hopefully, you guys can even see them. I don't know if you can even see them. I printed a whole bunch of them, so maybe this is easier to see. There's like 30 more of them, but yeah. So, but I don't know if I like. I did them gold. I don't know if I like the gold. I might end up doing them like colors, like red. I don't want to do red and black, but I might do like red and blue or something like that for positive and negative. Yeah, I don't know if I like the gold. One, because the gold on the yellow top, Optima style battery, they kind of just disappear. So yeah, I might change the color of those too. But like I said, I have plenty to test out with. But yeah, anyways, I think that, oh wow, I destroyed the paint on it. It was definitely not dry, but that's okay. Cause again, all we really want to see is what it's going to look like. Let me get this back all together so we can take one final look. Let me straighten that out. Of course, these batteries will get glued in here, so they won't be all off kilter and whatnot. Right now, nothing, like I said, nothing is permanent. In fact, I'm probably going to reprint even the speaker box. Why can I not get this back on the battery? Drive me nuts. There we go. Nope, still not. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'll probably end up even printing a new speaker box just because, so I can make sure the paint's really nice and well done. Because I kind of rushed all this together just so we can have a look at it. And quite honestly, just to be very honest with you, I basically just procrastinating having to French in this other tail light. That's basically what's going on here. I'm kind of procrastinating. I'm kind of not looking forward to doing the other tail light and completely missing and it being way off and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's take one final look. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. What colors would you do? Do you like, I guess really, I mean, I like the box body color. I like this panel, this beauty panel being, and then this all being leather. I think a darker leather. Let me know what you think about that. But I don't know if I want this to look leather wrapped. I think we might end up doing that body color, and like it's part of the bed, I think. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear what you guys think, your options, or if there's something I'm not even thinking about. Let me know down in the comments section. I know it's not much of an update. Oh, you know what I need to do? I know something I need to do, and I don't even know where it went. I need to narrow the rear bumper, so that's something else I've got to do. I've got to get the rear bumper narrowed, because basically with the bodywork, well, I guess we'll call it metal work or plastic work, is just about done. I've got to just narrow the bumper and then French in the taillight, and then it's just bodywork from there, which the bodywork on the cab is actually done. So it's just a little bit of bodywork on the bed, and we'll be able to go to paint with that. And it's a little bit of chassis work, not much chassis work. We got to get back on that. So we're actually getting very close. It doesn't seem like it. I do have to work on the interior. I need to do a beauty panel for the back of the cab. I've got to tie in the, what do you call that? The dash into the panel, like get them to get it to fit, essentially, because it's a dash out of a Bronco, not out of an F-100. But there's just a little bit left to go. So that's why I'm kind of trying to dial in some of the colors too, because that's about where we're at, is to start painting. Let me know what you think down in the description. I really do want to hear what you have to say. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I got a lot to get done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.